Oh, hello? God, man. Like, in the stream. And breakout. It's insane. This is a massive breakout. 2043. Above that, there's just nowhere there would be a general consensus area where lots of supply would be. That's what levels are. And that's why Ethereum, after breaking out, is up 5.2%. Bitcoin just hit its highest highs of the year 2023. 30,800. That's not happened this year. That hasn't happened in many months. Since June of last year. Incredible development this evening. The price action we've been looking for. Here it is, Larry. Highest price on Ethereum since May 18th, 2022.
Look here. Look, listen.
JB super chatted $49.99. Let's go, Mitch.
I thought it was Brandon. Thank you, JB, for the $50 super chat. Let's look at this quad screen here. It is a sight to behold, right? I mean, this is glorious. Glorious stuff, you know, and so I think Ethereum to Bitcoin will be continuing to pump too. But where's the guy? Where's the, you know, literally these people show up. They don't exist, and they show up, and then they like they have an opinion, like it matters, like they have any rep. Say, oh, the top was in yesterday. Some idiot just kept spamming it. You think he'll come back today? Mother God, no, that guy would never show up again. Oh my God. And there's the hoarder. Let's go, dude. How much tendy is being made in the Citadel or outside of it, man? This is beautiful. BNB following up already on the new day. Session highs. All right, 328.40. XRP in that Wyckoff reaccumulation by the looks of it. And Bitcoin just soon approaching that 31K. You know, $200, $250 away from the top of the resistance. And I'm telling you, above 31K, there's nothing there. Nothing. Like, you break 31K, all of a sudden it's like Bitcoin's up 10% in a day or more. Yeah, I'm the guy who streamed an hour before Mitch Red. That's me, dude. That's the guy. Y'all know that guy? And guess what? You know, it's like super quiet on the home front. Something like Ethereum Classic over here. I just don't think people understand. Like what's about to happen to Ethereum Classic. Yeah, it's great, man. Ethereum's killing it. It's pumping like crazy. But dude, do not forget about little brother. In fact, the real Ethereum. This used to be Ethereum. Before they had to, it was compromised and they had to do stuff. Vitalik, well, don't forget about little brother, big brother, certain brother, okay? But yeah, right now the story is Ethereum as it's breached all the levels. There are no levels here until 2400. So the next target really is the 38% retrace, the level we've been talking about on the weekly for how long now? Months. It's the golden zone upon us. And it could happen tonight because there's just nothing there, chat. There's no resistances now. This was it. We are on the cusp of breakout, and you've broken out that fast. Magic. Just imagine if Bitcoin breaks 31K, where this thing's going. It's crazy.
Eric Morris super chatted $30. LOL encore. Thank you. Gains bro. Putting chicken wings on my kid's plate.
Dude, it's easy, man, to, you know, bake chicken, what, 400 degrees for 40 minutes, you know, and then, you know, after that, you would turn it down to 170 degrees, and you'd let it stay in there for 30 to 60 minutes, depending on how crispy you want the chicken tendies to be. Yeah, so we're talking tendies. Been eating tendies this week like that, you know, just in honor of what could be coming. And my God, things just escalated so quickly here, and it's not done. And don't forget Ethereum Classic, man, I'm telling you. And we, you know, should I just put on the Bitcoin chart or just on the, you know, on the right so we have it, or do you want the chat? I don't know, man. This could be like an appropriate time to have. It's the corn. I'm talking about. I'm gonna back up when the chat doesn't work. Sorry, I'm looking for it here. You alert. Oh my God, it's so annoying. There it is. Like this. Do we just have Bitcoin up like that while we stare at Ethereum? Because it's giving you the levels here. That's the promised land. Just adding an alert on the horizontal line. Yeah, I was gonna do an air fryer one day, but then like the order got canceled. I don't know what happened, and I just said forget it. Dang, I'm confused. Oh my God, I might have overpaid on taxes. Oh my God. A little bit, but not much. That could be great. Okay, so do we have other assets in this space doing things? We do. Hex is up 5% on the new day. Is it though? Something's wrong with this chart, man. I don't... God, dude, just can we get a hex chart that's not just weird and whacked out and closes at different times and screws itself and I'm just done with hex, man. That's the reason why people are like, what? Why don't you look at hex? It's like, dude, because of this bull crap. All right, Litecoin's up 3%, highest price since March 2nd, climbing. See you at 105, 110, but eventually 140 on the weekly. Paris is out there. I had to send it into Alabama and all the other places. Yeah, it's out there. ENS, Ethereum name service that really fell below a key level. It's trying to hold it, and it could be a dragon, right? You got a dragon turns into another dragon. This looks like Matic and all these other ones, right? Where there it is. You know, you broke the supply line, you back test the supply line. There's a lot of work to be done, but I think if ENS connected to Ethereum can break 1446, that's maybe a really good spot here for upside. Maker's up 2.5% on the new day. Very nice. 788 is the promised land. Josh had requested this on the last stream, which is kind of the same as this stream, I guess, right? This is technically a new stream. Because like I ended stream and then what? 3 minutes after ending the stream, Moon just pump, like crazy pump, 5% up on the second largest crypto in the world in minutes. Yeah. SNX up 2%. What you think? Anything about 250 will turn into 350. So I still think there's, I mean, it's going to be whacked out crazy, right? But I think like SNX still has 30% upside on it. Uniswap's up 2% today. Nice. Very, very nice here. Broke the 200-day simple moving average yesterday. Catching some immediate fall through, at least for now. This could be insane. I mean, there could be crazy upside. Like, it could go up 100% value in the course of months. Yeah, Lind was another that looked pretty interesting here. It's the Dragon. The Dragon. Highest price since February 27th right now on Lind. Very nice. Rally occurring. You head back to $94, $95. That's where it breaks, and then you go to much, much higher levels. So 1, 2, 3 lows. Very nice. Another dragon of sorts. Kind of. It was not really. The foot was tough. But anything above 42.89 on comp was good here. I think that was it. Ren's up 2%. All right, that's about it. You know, and then look at YFI. People were scared about YFI. It got hacked, and it's like, I'm sorry, I can't even feel a thing. How could you say that? Did someone even say rip YFI? It's like, get out of here, dude. This thing's 18K if you just wait. GRT. Kind of got that same FTM look with the Momo shifting, but you're still below the resistance. Now, I think breaking 17 cents equals 28.30 cents. So you're talking about like 40% upside if it breaks this level here. FIL's up. FIL was a really nice. I mean, this is a trade setup, right? I mean, it's like you're confirming the ice line as support and rounding out, and yeah, it's $10 target on FIL from here. Wow. It's beautiful, it really is. 63 days till 1 million. Yeah, dude, we're on the way. We'll be there soon.
Thoughts on abused?
A newer S coin. They're playing their luck on if they can make money by pushing a scam on people, and I think it worked for them. But it's pumping again. Oh my god. Look, man, I don't know. Like, it's a new coin and it's pumping, dude. This is the data. Okay, so you have the bottom of a range and the top of a range. It's hitting near the top of the range. So if it breaks that, wow, it could go really high. Now above 148 equals 157. You break 157, you just probably use Fibonacci to target here. Okay, above 156 equals 169, 176, 185, and then if you go to the 2618, it's 232. That's it, man. You requested it, Zazen. Could be double bottom, man. Is it double bottoming? Maybe. Is that a double bottom? I wish there's more to talk about. There's no yeah, it'll probably break out. I mean, it'll probably break the if this is the way Bitcoin's going. Yeah, I don't know why ARB's not going to go up too, like everything else. Just about. Oh, Litecoin's really going right now. Dang, man. Well, hey, look at this, chat. I'm talking about beautiful reaccumulation structure on the 4 hour. Here you go. You're breaking out right now.
Bruh. Look here. Look, listen.
I'm about to take out that March high. It's beautiful. Really, really is. That was such a pretty looking structure. You can find these. Not always. So again, 105. What's good, Dr. Ganja? Congratulations on the blur. Universe Kramer. Yep, he was the one that said he was going to sell his Bitcoin into this rally, or he recommended you do that with your money. He didn't even talk about him. So we're just hanging out, man. I mean, just watching the breakout unfold before our very eyes. It's right here in the top right of your screen. It's Ethereum, highest levels in a long, long time, man. What was it again? It was the highest price since May of last year. You're getting, I mean, what would Ethereum require for a 52-week high? It'll take too much, man, because May was like one of the worst months in the history of Ethereum last year. So in order to get to 52-week highs, Ethereum price must achieve 14. Ethereum must achieve around 3,057. So it'd have to go up another 30+% to make 52-week highs. But the good news is, guess what? You've broken out. Thanks, Ritoshi. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate. Tell her I appreciate it, and you know, I think I'll look a lot cuter when Ethereum's at 30. Was it 3,300 or 2,400 to 3,300? I'll be a lot cuter. And Bitcoin when it's at like 46K or whatever. Yeah, I'll be way cuter. Oh, and like something happened. It's a crypto holder, man. Oh my god, I wasn't sure. One more of those crypto hoarder and I'm getting a beer. An IPA beer too.
Crypto_hoarder tipped $115.49. Woo. 100.000000000 Matic.
Dude, more Matic. Hey, you know something changed, right? Remember how they used to say Matic? Because some people would request Matic all the time, and it would say Matic. Somehow the TTS has gotten smarter, and they say Matic now properly. That's new. Yeah, Litecoin is running. We just looked at it minutes ago, whatever, a minute ago, and it was a little ascending triangle breakout, and it's heading back up to those key levels at 105 to 110. Above that, it's 140. Beyond. Okay. 2110 right there on Ethereum. So you're seeing these moves. It just went from 2110 to $2,100 in about a second. And that is because where we are is extremely illiquid. Illiquidity. When you look left and you understand there's never been a point in history, maybe at 2150, a pullback happened once. But other than that, there's never been a time besides that one time in April 2021 where the price reversed here. So the move, I mean, 2,300, kind of the only thing that makes any sense here. I just don't know why. Why would this asset just reverse here and not continue to ascend? It's breaking out, and there's never any time until 2,300 where the price action did anything besides go straight up and straight down. So you got to understand how important this is and how high it could go, and you have a target. And Bitcoin's still very elevated on the new day with Asia awake. There's a target zone for Ethereum, and it's between 2,400 and 3,340. Mega levels of resistance and inflection, $28 to $3,000. No, Ethereum unlocking clearly did the inverse of what everyone that thought they were smart did. BNB's at its session highs right now, $328.70, and climbing. XRP is also climbing. Here's your quad screen because we have positive pandemonium going on right now. Why does no one even tell me my music's too loud? What in the... Good God. Mic's hot. Music's too loud. No one's telling me anything, dude. Go back, man, to the days of yesteryear. The set, dude. Only too loud for boomers. What the oh, that makes sense. It's too loud. Alright, so, wow, man. Just looking at more money flood into crypto right now. Looking at total market cap. Oh, yeah, there's a flood, man. A flood of liquidity. So total right now, at its highest price since June 8th of 2022. And really breaching the levels. I mean, like, you know, 1.3 trillion is the target here. Taking out the high from August 10th a couple days ago. And yeah, there. I mean, above this 1.3 trillion mark, there's nothing. To 1.5 trillion, 1.7 trillion. So very, very nice here. Yeah, just a cool $20 billion has flooded into this market in an hour. $20 billion just entered. 60 minutes. So we're just, I mean, there's things on, it's on markup watch, not breakout watch. The breakout happened. It's happening right now. What the? Oh, okay, got you. If you're enjoying this, I don't even know. There's probably like 20 people watching right now. But if you're watching and enjoying it, hit the like button below. So thanks for being here, man. Yeah, dude, join the Discord if you haven't. or be destroyed. Your choice, not your choice. You had your chance, man. It's called the year 2022. When Ethereum sell-off, you had it. It was incessant. It never stopped. Really. So yeah, man, that's your target. So what upside potential here, where you are right now, there's still another 15% upside. 14.43% upside, man. What's upside, girl? I mean, this is certainly not my schedule, right? I mean, it's 9 p.m. Eastern right now, and it's the second stream. ICP doing good. ICP was incredible, man. ICP was the legend. This is what dreams were made of, and you have no one to blame but yourself. If you were here and you didn't say, hey, man, it was a time to take a chance, and there was a very strong technical argument, undeniably, on ICP. And well, chat, there's your YFI alert going off. I don't know why I did that. Maybe it was just because it was yesterday. I added an alert. It was taking out the... Where it opened yesterday, before the hack, it just broke through that for a moment, and it'll probably do it again. I mean, again, 11,386 target, 14, and then 18, and then Andromeda Galaxy is right there. Dude, again, ICP was incredible. Everything you could have asked for, it was there. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for identifiable, recognizable patterns at key inflection points, and a technical indicator of a spring back test, a bullish back test of a level that used to be a support, fell below it, but we reconfirmed its validity after breaching back through it, then finally back testing it a couple times. So that second low is like the confirmation low, but it's also the second foot of the dragon. Have an alert set up on ICP about 580. You hear that 580 beep? Oh yeah, breaking that neckline of a double bottom. Very nice. I mean, targets are like nearly $10. Just crazy. Okay, that was the first 60 minutes of the day. So yeah, I guess it's Marvin C. Marvels. Thanks for the sub, dude. I saw you sub. Don't even try to sneak in here like you didn't just sub to this channel. How did you find me, man? Were you searching online? Tell me how, or else. Possible up more? Absolutely. Ethereum's just breaking out. And Bitcoin, 31K, 31,071's a resistance of sorts. But again, Ethereum, yes, there's 14 to 15% more upside on that one. Breaking out right now. That's why I'm live right now. I mean, I think we looked at storage yesterday for a moment. Was it doing something, man? I don't think it's doing anything too crazy. Storage at 1.44%. Yeah, anything above 39 cents is really, really good. I mean, like, look, this whole level back here from 2018, the upside, I mean, 54 cents to 64 cents. There's tremendous upside on this asset. Yep, whatever. Go figure. A lot of upside on a lot of these assets, and it's not weird. And look at Bitcoin. Virtually at the session high, it's 30,800 again. Welcome back, chat. Welcome back, Mr. Kata. I'll see you at 31K tonight, I guess. We have a lot of upside here. But Ethereum. There it is. Session highs on Bitcoin. We got a pump in the chat. We got a pump. Bitcoin's doing it, and this soundtrack is perfect for it or this set. Because as we were playing on the massive run up to 14K back in 2019, it was incredible. We got a live pump on our hands, chat, and we are approaching a key breakout point, 31,070. Will we see it tonight? The Larry come latelys. They will be here. Well, maybe. If I'm just so dead of a streamer, they may not show up. We might get a whole freaking 15% pump and no one shows up. And it's like, wow, I really am dead as a streamer. Yep. And that's okay. Like, whatever. It was fun while it lasted. You know, 5.5 years doing this, or almost 5.5. Yeah, whatever. Did dude answer on how he joined this? He subbed. Did he respond? I don't think he did. No, he didn't. Marvin C. Marvels. Respond. Say something, dude. Wow. Disbelief moment? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, the Capo Crypto or whatever on Twitter, dude. Yikes. Okay, we gotta keep our eye on everything. Right now, all 4 of the big ones. Yeah, well, Armin, that's their fault, dude, because it was number go down only and always last year. So you watch this channel, there was literally no argument to go long at all to lose money. Dang, Hoarder man, let's go. Thanks so much.
Crypto_hoarder tipped $116.36. Grab a beer, brother. Cheers. 100.0000000 Matic.
Can someone tip and just say cheers a bunch of times and see what it sounds like? Thank you, dude. All right, I'm gonna go get this IPA. I'll be right back. Let's watch Bitcoin, Ethereum pump together. Like button, bell, sub, everything. All right, be right back. All right, yeah, an IPA as promised. Thank you, Hoarder Man. We shall crack this beer as Ethereum cracks the resistance. But Bitcoin, man, we're still waiting on Bitcoin to break the 31K mark so we can really get lit, man. Really lit. What's up, Painful Dr. P? Thanks for the 199, man. Thank you, dude. Cheers. All right, I was getting a lot of controversy on audible levels. Are we okay here? Did Adam break the spine? Maybe. It's breaking. It's attempting to break the spine. 1 and 2, and then 3, and then 4 yesterday, and then today, the breach. Yeah, and it's attempted breakout going on Adam right now. Nice. Let's ping everyone and let them know. Just let you know, man. It's like, it's happening now. Is the dragon. You're talking about music up 20%. That doesn't make sense, dude. You're making 0 sense, dude.
You're an inspiration. True legend. Thank you for all your wisdom and teachings. Much love, brother.
Thanks, Anonymous, for $5. That's a $15 contribution right there for all the niceness, man. Thank you, dude. I really appreciate it. Yeah, this is why you put in the work. This is why you invest in yourself, so you're able to identify things that were. It doesn't mean it's gonna happen. It just means like it's probable that it would happen. And then if that's the case, it's easy to strategize, stop losses, entries, take profits. Wow, crazy. Ethereum E. Oh yeah. Remember we looked at this? Oh my god, dude. Imagine what it's gonna do tomorrow. Yeah, bro. Yeah, the spring back test. Oh yeah. This thing will be at $11 tomorrow, easily. It's gonna gap up. Now look at GBTC. Grayscale Bitcoin, a trust, at resistance, right? Oh, it actually broke back above resistance today. 1740. Look at this, chat. Look, that is the high of highs from July, June of 2019. You are breaching back above that. That's crazy, man. June 26, 2019, Bitcoin hit $14,000. And here we are, Bitcoin at about to be $31,000, the same effing price on GBTC. Virtually a scam. Virtual scam. If this was really following Bitcoin, we would be at $24 to $29 right now. So that means discount, bro, whatever. I mean, yeah, there's a discount on the NAV on GBTC. Great, dude. But I'm saying, you've rebroken out, but at the same time, that's great. What a joke. My God, we're so close, man. So close. And it's not even overhead resistance, really. I guess it kind of became overhead resistance in May and June of last year, but before that, it was never overhead resistant. It was just a couple wick lows. It's not, so I'm saying 28.8 was the mega resistance, in my opinion. There were so many touches. I think it's more of a formality, 31K. It's not really, and that, hey man, remember when at 30K, it really didn't do much? Look how it's just blowing past it like it's kind of nothing. So I'm saying 28.8, it's almost like when you have the semifinals and the national championship. And the semifinals are like an incredible game. Oh my God, overtime. And then the national title game's a blowout. It's a joke. That's kind of like 28.8 and 30K. You did the semifinals were 28,800. 30,000 was the title game, and it was a joke. Wasn't even worth watching. This is the best way to describe these levels now. You've lost me? You have? What did you say, man? Yep, TCU. This is the 30K was the TCU game. And then the TCU Georgia game. The 28.8 was the Georgia Ohio State game at New Year's field goal kick. That was insane. That was the craziest thing, like maybe ever. Okay, we're paying attention to all that. Let's go back to Ethereum here, because this is the Ethereum show. This is not the Bitcoin show yet. Certainly Ethereum right here. Lord baby Jesus indeed. Man, if this year's Easter wasn't some serious stuff, serious stuff, where it was like foreshadowing for Bitcoin. Yeah.
Cheers man, you taught me so much. My portfolio loves you. 0.00068134 BTC.
Guten Tag! Thank you, Rob, for the $21 in German. Thank you, dude. It was really supposed to be the Klaus Schwab contribution, but I don't know. This German guy isn't old enough, or we need to get Stream Elements to make a Klaus Schwab like actual variation. So
you can do it like this, your raspy German voice, you eat the bugs. Get to Paris Fisher, you eat the bugs. I need Greta Thunberg. Push the new neo-communism.
330 on BNB, pumping, man. Pumping all across this market.
Puda, you not laugh.
My God, dude, it's already like happening. Like, look at this. Ethereum Classic chat is like trying to break out right now. Not yesterday, not the day before, today. I swear, man. If you like sleeping on Ethereum Classic, That means you just like sleeping through money, making money. Because this thing, I'm pretty sure, like the way it all is set up, this thing's about to go stupid. It's about to get all stupid up in here. Where you got about 50 to 75 to 88% upside on Ethereum Classic. And it could still remain in a downtrend. That's the beauty of it, man. That's the beauty of Fibonacci understanding. Like, you could just make a deep retrace from the previous high to low and go up 100% almost, right? 80%. Still be making a lower high. So I'm just saying, man, ETC could be kind of the one-ish a little bit, but it is attempting some sort of breakout right now. I know there's a big one. Like the horizontal line's also mega. Market participants attempted to breach that level from January 10th all the way to February 23rd before they relented. But guess what? We're right back getting in the thick of it. Look left to understand these levels, how important they are. These go back to 2017, 2018, and even 2022. So yeah, you're getting there, man. And I think Ethereum's going to 2,300, which has been a target area. Easily, you're going to break that $24, $25 level, which means breakout, which means mega upside. Robert, if it did go away, that means that GBTC would outperform Bitcoin to catch up. That means like, oh, it'd go up a lot more while Bitcoin goes up in price. So FTM right now is climbing. It's at its highs of the day. Remember, FTM special. You're on breakout watch. You're about to be. 53 cents equals 65 cents. Like breaking the level you're approaching on FTM equals 25, 24% upside. And then possibly the continuation of the uptrend where you go to 88 cents to 96 cents. Just remember what was once a resistance in 2022 has now flipped to support. And it's not just that, it is the identification of a momentum shifting structure, right? Where the trend, higher highs, higher lows, the buyers have recaptured the momentum of the trend. Therefore, you break 53 cents, you get a 65 and beyond in the continuation. So really good stuff, man, on some of these coins. FIL, stupid upside, hitting its highest level since March 20th. 3-week highs, and again, the lowest risk area was $5. And you would
Anonymous? I forgot my name, Ray. Thanks again for the enlightenment and persistence you put in these markets, and most importantly, teaching all of us. The Japanese candlestick ancestors would be proud. Keep it rolling. Could you look at PBR weekly? Ty.
Jacob Ree. I don't know Jacob Ree. I only know Jacob G. But you might be in the family. So yeah, we'll look at that for Jacob. We'll do Jacob Ree, okay. PBR, Paps Blue Ribbon. Again, FIL, dude. Moon. Confirming the spring back. Okay, just, yeah, no one cares. But, oh, from where you are right now, being up 3% today, you still got another 60% upside. Forget about it, dude. No one cares. Like, all right, great. Look at this, 331 on BNB. 2,111 on ETH, about to be breaking to the highs. Bitcoin and Ethereum look like they're about to go to, virtually they're there. Virtually you're at the session highs right now. It's a sight to behold, and very rarely do we get opportunities like this to cover it, and I'm very happy I get to be live during it. I hate that I kind of ended this stream, but it was like before the bump, man. That's the way these things go. Let's see, was there actually another request? Because this is like a pump stream. This isn't like a normal stream anymore, right? So PBR, is that a crypto? Is that a new video game or something, dude? Yeah. Polka Bridge. Oh my god. I thought we were friends, dude. I thought you liked me. I thought we were cool, dude. And you're just gonna be like, nah, you just look at Polka Bridge. Polka Bridge. Such a joke chart, man. Like, there's the range, right? You kind of see the range here, and you're not in the middle, but you're still well off the lowest risk entry area, I guess, you know? Even if you try to make it a zone here. Still a little off. Like you requested, look, we have Bitcoin right there. 30,834. We're not missing anything, okay? So if you could get to 60, the closer you get to 63 to 50 cents equals the closer you are to an easily strategizable area where you could set an entry up, a stop loss, and equitable take profits. I guess I would go with 16, 17 cents. That's it. I don't know. It topped out, man. Maybe it makes a higher low here and runs. Maybe just another higher low. Maybe accumulation.
PBR, Petrobras, NYSE, Stock Smile.
Is that a joke? Is that?
Okay. Yeah, look at Dot. I looked at Dot today. Petróleo, Brasileiro, este Petrobras. Wow, I have some memory of this place, and look at this level here. Okay, well, garlic played out. Channel broke, okay. But the critical inflection point, woo! It's a really nice defense from buyers here. And yeah, you could look at this probably now like it's a double bottom or dragon, and the dragon breakout happened, right? Here's the spine of sorts. However, and yes, so pretty good here. Actually, pretty good. Anything above 1025, solid. Anything above 1025 could eventually turn into 17. The probability is high you'd see $17. There was that one time in 2016 where you didn't see it before you sold off, but every other time just about, and there's 2021. So you're kind of at
Much
a level.
love, Mitch. 0.100000000 LTC.
So complete. Thank you, Igor B. I'm just kidding. Your name's Igor, and that is such a non-Western name that it invokes the Suka Blayat, but it's not. Thank you, dude. Thank you for the nearly $10. Or the Litecoin contribution. Beautiful. Oh boy. I've been fasting. I fast like every day. So I'm breaking my fast with an IPA. Oh, I'm screwed, dude. If this kept up, if we kept this party going, man, oh my God. So testing the 200-day simple moving average for the first time since October 27. Wow. Oh, it's not quite testing it. I'll probably test it tomorrow. Very, very close. But if you were looking for targets here and not talking about inflection points from history, just the isolated structure, first target's 1354, second target's 1477. If things got nuts, I would go ahead and say your third target would be 1780 to 1723. I know 1272 is 1830. But those are your general targets. They're traditional targets for a dragon. 618, 786, 1272. So there's some more upside. But, you know, just you're a little far off the best maybe entry. The closer you are to 1025 to 915, the closer you are to the lowest risk areas. So that's PBR. Pabst Blue Ribbon. Just kidding. It's Petróleo Brasileiro. It's a petróleo. It's beautiful. Really is. That's not my Spanish. That's my Portuguese, dude. I know. 16 to 20 hours, Neil, most of the time. 16 to 20. Just kind of whatever. When you get in the habit of it, it sounds crazy, right? When you get in the habit of doing it, when your body adapts, because it does have to get acclimated to that. I did that in 2020, so I've been doing this for years. So fasting's like my body expects to fast. But man, the things that happen when your body gets to those extended times, autophagy, right? The autophagy, where your body starts breaking down impurities and cancer-causing agents in your body. Really nice. And then, you know, your body also releases stem cells, which are anti-aging properties, keeping you looking young. So I think that's been working pretty well over the course of years. You know, it compounds. Definitely compounds, man. I mean, like, chat, you should guess my age just by the stupid little camera of me. Guess my age, right? What do I look like? Do I look like I'm 80? Because my biological, I'm 88 years old. Cab up. It's not really fair because like everyone knows my age here, so most people do know my age, unfortunately. So I can't really like get away with, you know, asking people. Okay, this doesn't work. Never mind. It's like literally there. It's like, hey, there's a number that exists between 18 and 70. So someone's guessing a different age per number. So this isn't really doing anything. Never mind. That's okay though, man. That's okay. Literally, man, you got like every number. 37, 32, 48, 69, 35, 150, 17, 42, 60. See what I'm saying? Like, doesn't work. Marvin C. Marvels, are you watching this stream? You better say yes or no. Marvin C. Marvels is a new sub from today. And I asked him a question. He didn't answer when I asked. Marvin C. Are you a real person, dude? $2.99 in crypto years virtually, yeah, dude. The entire medieval era went by. I'm still here. No, man, don't sugarcoat it, man. Wow, Luke, thanks, man. That's a wide range, dude. No, Marvin's not answering. I have concerns now. Something's going on. I think this is a Klaus Schwab thing. CV, you just subbed to the channel. I believe you. There 13 minutes ago. Thanks so much for the sub, dude. I see you. I see you and appreciate you. And I appreciate the other subs.
L.
Is that a joint? Is that a joint?
Please clap.
Oh, it feels so good! That boy is good.
Good and terrible.
XRP going to the moon. Yeah.
I think it's been like 8 months since I actually played that clip. XRP going to the moon. When was the last time I did this?
Bitch ain't doing things.
Truman Magic, that's really mean, dude, because I'm not even that old at all. So, wow. Wow, y'all think I'm 36. Really? Wow, that's not what anyone in real life would ever tell me. But maybe they're just being nice. I don't know, dude. I'm hanging out with like a bunch of like young to mid 20s, and I'm hanging out, and they're going by their year that they're born, and I go to me, and I'm like, oh god. They're like, no way. Like I would never have thought. So y'all are just like making me feel. Now I'm like I feel stupid for even asking y'all. Never mind. Okay, backfired. Is Marvin in the chat? Marvin. He says yes, he's watching. Dude, Marvin, how did you find this effing channel? Oh, he doesn't speak English well. That's the problem. CV, how did you find this channel, dude? Tell me true. Tell me true or be destroyed. How old is Jason Bourne? Yeah, right? Exactly. Good lord. Okay, so Ethereum is at $2,111.62, 30,800. I have, you know, should we keep the party going?
Is gone.
Is it? We don't. This is not a formal request, and I'm not looking at it because he said engine's gone. I'm just doing this because I want to. But such a joke. The back test, man. Wow, it's all about the levels, man. The levels. And so what happens if it goes to 834, 836? Can kind of TA respected a little bit, right? You were looking for a good live vibe to watch in the background while you trade. Here you are. Nice, CV, dude. Well, hopefully this is decent vibes. A little bit of copyright music for you. A little bit of auctioneering of some of these assets. It's fun, dude. I'm telling you, like, it's really, these are not the best times to watch it. The best times to watch these streams are when we're like, it's all business, man. I'm live every day, and there's so much education involved in these streams. I try to, like, you know, sprinkle it in, like formal back test on INJ, the date of April 6th. There was once a support, resistance becomes support again, and moon. And that's what happens. Not always, but that is what can very well happen when an asset buyers break a key level. They formally backtest it, confirming the validity of an area that was once a resistance support becomes support, and then you rally. And it's crazy. It's the on technologies. Bruh. Here's the 20 dude. Thank you, man. Can I let you know about... Dude, I'm letting you know, Elias. Look, man, 330.40. Here it is, bottom right of your screen. If it breaks 350, it goes up $100. And the dragon on the weekly becomes the CZN dragon. Well, how kind of you, Trip Magic, by lowering the age by 1 year. So nice, dude. Thanks so much, dude. I'm good vib. Yeah, dude, I'm pretty good vibs. Up and up. Joe Lewis. Joe Lewis!
That boy is good.
I remember that. What was the you know, in Coming to America, he's talking about that. Benson Gamboa, thanks so much for subbing to the YouTube channel. I see you out there. Zazon, thanks again for the 20 super chat. G-Dog, Charizard, thanks for the contributions there. The 420, 499, Zoja. All right. Okay. So I'm almost done with this this beer here. Should I continue or just say screw it, right? Forget about it. How could we say forget about it while Bitcoin's at $30,856, man? Kidding me? What was it? Rocky Marciano. Muhammad Ali and Rocky Marciano. Who was number one? Who was the number one fighter? All right, ING is gone, though, for real. There are others that are going right now, man. Ethereum is up over 5% now. ENS is up 4.6%. About to break that resistance. Woo! My God, it's going. You break 1446. It's a mega level right there. Litecoin still going. Remember, Litecoin was the 4-hour. There's 4-hour action here, man. Like, it was all about that beautiful ascending triangle, right? Reaccumulation structure. Oh, yeah. That's right, Brad. I think you misspelled that.
Usually I gotta chase dudes down for money, but today everybody's paying up.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, Skinny Pete, until like yesterday I watched Mandalorian episode and I see you on, you're a freaking Mandalorian now. On Mandalore. What are you doing, Skinny Pete? Skinny Pete goes from slinging meth to being a Mandalorian on Mandalore.
Hey Mitch, can we take a look at LRCS? 53 cents incoming. 42.8079834 LRC.
Rob, you know you like tipped that like 2 hours ago, right? Well, maybe that wasn't you. Someone said the same thing as you almost. What the heck? Thanks for the loop ring contribution. Okay, I'm starting to like lose it over here a little. What's happening? Am I that drunk, man? I'm Skinny Pete. All right, Doobie wants to spin. That's the first spin request of the evening. Because anyone can do it. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? No way, man. It's not working. Gosh dang it. Hold on. We'll get this, dude. We'll get this. What's up, Painful? Mr. D. Or Dr. P. What the? There's the wheel. Dude, look at the wheel. Oh my God. Look at
LMU, look at link.
Bro, look at the source of the wheel. Do y'all see that? It says Cloudflare. Something's wrong with Streamlabs right now. What? No way. Did Streamlabs get like hacked or something? Something's going on. Interesting. Oh my god. I have to log in via Twitch. Oh my god, dude. This is not good. Like, as if I even know, like, my login information to Twitch, bro. Like, not even kidding. But look, man, $2,110 on Ethereum, $30,800 on Bitcoin. If this keeps up, man, we're gonna have some serious markups. Gotta log in for the sake of the dude. You don't even know my system for passwords. Hilarious.
Spin, please. I forgot we could do that, and of course, happy times ahead.
What's up, Eric? Yeah, I guess that's 2 spins or something. We got out water beers. We can certainly do that. Like, give me 2 seconds to get my authenticator out. Oh my god, where did it go? Oh yeah. It's like something else weird. Yeah, okay, I got it. 886 is part of the secret code though. Let's see here. Like, for real, what's happening with the wheel? Just relax, man. Bitcoin's 30,800. What do you want? It's the same having widget. What are you talking about? Look, it's broken. Literally doesn't work. Are you kidding me, dude? Never have I ever. Look at this. Never have I ever. Look at the Cloudflare. There's something wrong. It's broken. You requested a page of the website. Cloudflare currently unable to resolve your requested domain. Bro, it's so broken. Does this even work? Hold on. Wait, what the? The only way I can make this work, dude. Oh, it works this way. This is the most ghetto thing I've ever done. All right, so there. One more spin. Spin again. Wow, you're lucky as. I just need to get a real wheel. Oh my god, double spin again. Get the out of here. Okay, so you get double the spins. What a joke, man. No chug. Thank God. Wow. You just got four freaking spins. Unreal. Something's going on. The ghetto wheel. So, okay, pull back on Litecoin, pull back on your butt, pull back on Ethereum. Not really. What the? No, Ethereum's not pulling back. Ethereum's like at session highs, man. Silver pumping too? Dude, we got a liquidity pump. Just the one thing that sucks is fiat. Doesn't matter if you're Canadian, American, Australian, you're from Europe. Being in fiat sucks. It's awful. It's terrible. Coolest party I ever had. I don't know. My 21st birthday was fun. Because I was technically a pledge for my 21st birthday because I was on the football team first half of my college career. So, like, you know, after football, I pledged and I just happened to be turning 21. And I was like, I got beer showered, you know, so like 150 plus people were surrounding me, like opening beers, cracking them, pouring them on me, you know, like champagne. But then I got shanked in the middle of that. So trade-off. But that was pretty memorable experience. Fraternity party, you know. Yeah, it was a pledge. It was interesting, man, because like people didn't want to really mess with me because they knew like I wasn't a freshman and did football and all that. So they were like, ugh. It was my own adversity where I had to make myself do things because then my pledge brothers would have resented me if I didn't. Weird. It was a weird test. No, not stabbed. Like shanked as in they pulled my pants down in front of the 150 plus people while I was getting showered with alcohol. Yeah. So Ethereum is still running the show right now. That beer's over, Crypto Hoarder. Are you still watching? Are you still out there, man? This one was for Crypto Hoarder. I don't know why y'all keep thinking what shank means. Shank does not mean getting stabbed in the fraternity or just normal world that's not prison. What? Oh boy. Oh boy. Has no one even heard of that before? Oh, there's Brad. Oh, never mind. Chillin said getting my stupid face on stream would help with engagement. God, that's so dumb. Like, why do we have to see my stupid face for engagement to be higher on these shorts or whatever? It's so dumb, man. People are like, I gotta see someone's face. Freaking Zoomers or YouTube people. I don't know, man. All right, here we go. I mean, this thing is going right now. Ethereum's not done, and it's at its session highs right now. It's at $2,119 and climbing. Is the breakout. Let me turn this wheel off. It's broken. It's called Pants on the West Coast. Gotcha. Al goes, no, stupid face on stupid shorts. Yeah, O-face, man. $21,120 first time in many, many months. Getting close to a year. I think Ethereum just saw its highest price since May 15th. It was May 17th. Yep, now it's May 15th highs. You'd have to break above 2,163 to make a higher high than the May 15th high. That would take you to May 11th. And then, like, yeah, you're talking about one of the worst drawdown months in the history of Ethereum. So yeah, the breakout's here, man. We're just living it together, and it's pretty freaking cool. And Bitcoin's not done yet either. Bitcoin's really strong. Head to that 31K. I wonder if it'll happen on this stream. I wonder if it'll happen. There it is. There, 21,125 right there. Ethereum's at its session highs and it's climbing. Remember the markup above 2043. It's happening, man. Fast. Ethereum's in the chat. I'm not kidding. So now the question is like, do I continue to drink or just let it go? Normally, y'all just be like, meh, no big deal, man. No big deal. Yeah, YFI is now like higher than it was before the hack. Yeah, that's the composite operator being like, I own 90% of the liquidity here. You know what? We've been hacked. Pull back, buy. And it's back to the price it was yesterday. That's YFI. There's just such little, like, supply left. Like, you know, like there's just such little that exists that would be for sale at low prices on YFI. It's like, oh, we'll just manufacture bull crap now for the last markup because 18K is coming. You'd think on YFI eventually. Not be so dear right now. What does that mean, dear? Be dear? I'm not a deer. All right, Steven. Chug. Shotgun.
What's your favorite type of bottle to drink, Mitch?
Is that a joint?
What's up, Brandon? Of what? Bottle of beer, of water, of other things? Be more specific, Brandon. Thank you, dude. Talking about again, because I really don't know. I don't want to answer wrong. Be like, I thought he meant this. I'm very dear. Thank you, dude, for the deers. I missed the clinking beer mugs. Clinking beer mugs spam. Yeah, those were back in the day, dude. I don't know. We're just hanging out on Ethereum at its highest level in a long time, and you know, almost a year. But Ethereum has to go up to like 2,500 plus to make it 52-week highs or something stupid. Maybe 3,000. I can't remember. It's dumb. Really, that just shows you how bad May was last year. Oof. Like we only have like, we got like 2 weeks left till the end of this month. We got a lot of work to do if we're gonna take it all back from last year's May. May was the killer. Bo, join the Discord, the free Discord to join. You don't have to be in the Citadel to be in the Discord. You should definitely be in there, man, because you get. I mean, you're in a community of like-minded individuals that care about traditional technical analysis, but you also get notified when I go live. There's also free educational resources in the Discord. So if you're looking to get your feet wet with traditional technical analysis, many resources for you for free. Yeah. So there's also a Patreon/Citadel testimonials tab in the Discord. You can read if you're thinking about it. But you know, here's the thing, man. Like, you get trade setups, education, access to a premium Discord chat, but above all, you are supporting a 100% crowdsourced stream. The music you're listening to is copyright. I cannot even apply for membership status on YouTube. I am probably suppressed hardcore because of all this stuff, because none of my videos are monetized. Zero. I've never accepted money from any sponsor ever to promote them. I've never done that. Never. So it's like, it's very pure. And when you don't take money from anyone ever, over 5 years of doing it, all that does is ensures the integrity of the message. The message here is using traditional technical analysis as a means of managing your risk. Okay, that's it. 21.25 on Ethereum. Just hit its highest highs in 11 plus months. Dang, what's up, Shamar, Ireland? First super chat ever. Let's go, dude.
Hey Mitch, can you take a look at Riot? Thanks.
Yeah, I mean, Riot's crypto real quick. But it'll gap up tomorrow. Up 9.3% today. Remember, it was all about the level, man. It's all about, hey, man, can sellers keep the price below it? No, they couldn't. The buyers defended it, and then you double bottomed above the levels. And really, you go to the daily and the weekly to see it here. Excuse me. All about this battleground zone between $5 and $6, and after that level was reconfirmed as support, it's been mooning, and the target on Riot is 1684. Heck, man, you can take this all the way right here to that high from 2015, and it's a low from 2021, roughly. 1672 target on Riot. You go to the weekly, it's very similar to Mara. Or yeah, 98% retrace, double bottom down here, and you broke out. And you know, you're 18 hours till your first weekly candle close above the 200 moving average since April of last year. And anything above 960 is the promised land on Riot. Targets on the weekly, minimum 1666 from here, but the big one is 22 to 23, $24, right? 22 to $24. Peaks from 2012, 14. It was a valley in 2021. It was a peak in April last year. So that's you could very well be going to $23, $24 if it's just going to do straight down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. If it repeats history, it goes to $23, which is kind of insane now, right? How could it do that? How could it go up another 66 to 75% value? I know, man. You guess as good as mine. I don't know. But yeah, that's look left. History repeats itself. You go up that much on the weekly. There you go. Shamar Ireland. Thank you for the first super chat ever. Thank you, dude. Ethereum Classic chat. I'm not kidding. Ethereum Classic trying to break above that 200-week simple moving average. Anonymous, oh my god! Remy Martin. Dang, dude.
Took too long. I am a brandy type of guy. Here's a bottle of Remy Martin 1738 Accord Royal on me. Thanks.
Dang, man, that sounds really good. All right, I must get that. It's crazy. I can order that, deliver that to myself now. Remy Martin 1738 Accord Royal on. Thank you, dude. Holy crap. What is that? Like, what is the Remy Martin? Is that a type of alcohol? We'll see here. Accord Royal. Let's check this out. Cognac? Yeah, some brandy and cognac. Oh man, I bet that is nice. Some of the internet says $4,200.
Is that a joint?
The cognac brandy by Louis the 13th. Dang, man. Yeah, it does look good. Thank you. Holy crap. That's for Louis? Ah. It's almost 3 a.m. in Ireland. You got to get up for the full Irish in 2 hours? Oh, yeah. Top the morning to you there. I still haven't into yourself. But look, dude, seriously, Ethereum Classic, I think, is breaking out. At least the supply line. And when we see a breach of $24, it's time to get out the champagne and possibly have a pizza party. Good God, man. All right. Ethereum is still at its highs right now. Look at this. 21.25. Well, now 21.24. Okay. It's the breakout. What a candle, dude. Like, and it's not even done. It could go insane, man. There's nothing here. There's no resistance at all. None. Till 2400. Absolutely wild. Do I get another beer or is that it? Hoarderman in a chat. Anyone got any I mean, like, anonymous just tipped. Is that where we're going? More beer, less beer. 21.26. Near the 11-month highs. Una Mas, meaning one more. Do I get an IPA or a water beer? That's the question, chat. Ooh, this is like the game Fable. Choose my path. I miss Thursday. I don't drink during the week, really. Unless there's something going on. The IPAs. Oh yeah, y'all can come to a consensus on IPAs. Not my age though, huh? No, I actually hate water beer, but I have it.
IPA.
Is that a joint?
Thank you for the IPAs. The Browns of Josh's. Thank you, dude. So what do I gotta do tomorrow, man? I mean, I gotta wake up and if I don't want to, I don't have to do anything, I guess, right? Dang. Oh, man. But you knew I will. More beer, more TA. Okay, Okay, I guess I'll get it. Alright, guess get another beer. Would this one also be devoted to the hoarder man? Florida is a dream. Literally everything you've heard about Florida is true in a positive way. Yep. Move here. This is moving advice. Move to Florida. Yep. If you're kind of like complacent or not happy or whatever, move to Florida. Just do it. Move to Florida. You don't be on like inland. Get somewhere near the coast and enjoy it, man. Because it is the dream. It literally is a dream right now. Yep. Okay, let me get this beer. I'll be right back. Like button, bell, sub, or be destroyed. Let's get some hype in here, man. Let's do it. It's not often we get massive breakouts on mega cap cryptos. All right. Side girl, wow, you've been away for a long time because I literally did move here, side girl. What? Someone inform side girl. Okay, new beer. About to be a new hour. You look on the 8s, man. Thanks. All right. Because that was my mobile setup change. Like I could get my laptop out and do a mobile stream from my living room, but meh, you know, whatever. Flipping car keys? What are you talking about, dude? I'm confused, man. Yeah, dude, I'm asleep. Oh, I just woke up, man. Oh, wow. Ethereum broke out. Bitcoin didn't break out. Bitcoin didn't break out, man. Oh, yeah. I was flipping my M5 competition car keys, dude, in a penthouse in Miami in Brickell. Nuts, dude. Beyond nuts. Yeah. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin's breakout's 31K-ish. Yeah, I'm not on keto though, man. I'm just like extremely low carb. Dang, Bradley, man, let's go. Can we please get some hype in the chat?
If not already subscribed, member at Patreon or Discord, I highly recommend you consider it. Thanks once again, Mitch.
Thank you, Bradley man, for the 100. Appreciate it. I remember you used to tip in crypto, and it used to be like the 42s, right? All the 42, 42, 42, 42. That was your signature. I remember back in the day. Don't think I don't remember, man. Thank you, dude, for the $100 super chat. Session top super chat. That's amazing, dude. Thank you. 35K within reach. Meh. Meh. The answer is 42. Kind of, yeah. Should you buy Ethereum now? Banned. He's banned. Should have by now on a breakout. We're just hanging out at these highs. It's incredible. Really is. Ethereum, ENS, Matic. Oh, Matic. Oh, Matic, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at that. 4% pump today. That's right. It's the dragon. The dragon. And after someone's like, it's a bear flag. Shut your mouth. All right. 120, 125 is the next target. You break that. See a 163 most likely. It's a beautiful dragon pattern. What about Shiba? Should I Shiba now? Shiba was tough because you had your chance at the beginning of the year with me. Get wrecked. It's tough now. It's like, yeah, I mean, maybe it's probably fine. I mean, but dude, between 885 and 1300, it's a coin flip. It is literally in the dead middle of two major inflection points. So if things keep up the way they are, you could probably say 1300 next. Yeah. Oh, I know what it is. Hey, Pat, I know what it is now.
Pat, you have enough
know what
XRP?
it is. Bro, it's from The Office, and it's when Andy Bernard acts as a mechanic, and they're at lunch with the mafia guy. He's like, "Hey, Pat, you okay?" Nah, not nearly enough, William. But thank you, man. Thank you. I'll be all right. I'll never. The XRP tip bot, that it was a thing. It's not a thing anymore. I still have all of it, man. Never touched it. So means I haven't made anything on XRP ever. Wow, man. Wow. XRP be the best stablecoin? Sure, dude. Sure. All right, here are my thoughts. Thank you, Simply Just Bullish, for the 199 super chat. My thoughts on Ethereum W. It is Ethereum, and it is wrapped. You're welcome. Those are my thoughts.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Is that cool? Does everyone know now? Does everyone know what's happening? Bueller, thanks for the, I don't know, we got a few new subs today. Yeah, maybe we had like 70 new subs today or something. That's cool. Y'all crazy, man. It is wrapped. Man, Sol is still doing stuff off the breakout. Right, broke the supply line. Broke back above 2115, the old lows back from yesteryear. And yeah, a lot of upside on Sol. They coming out with a new phone. Okay, that's going to catalyze the next run, the markup. It goes to 37, 36, and it doesn't really mean it's in a bull run. So... So Johnny, thanks dude for watching. Hey man, I ended the stream and then You were drinking Stella in Manhattan. Wow, dude. You'd rather be in Miami. Boom. I don't know. The weather today was superior in New York than it was in Manhattan than Miami. I mean, the rainy season. We had 3 days and like 3 days of nonstop rain, flooding. People are saying they've lived here for their whole life and they've never seen the flood as bad as it was in Fort Lauderdale, which is not quite where I'm at, but it was bad. Like all the cars got totaled that were in the streets. Good thing I barely drive. Isn't Stella connected to Anheuser-Busch though? So I'd be careful about drinking Stellas. You might have to get rid of them soon, right? Isn't that what we're doing? Red Drift, man, probably going a lot higher, man. According to the levels, man, like where there are inflection points, it's defended a certain inflection point, it's rallying off of it, so that means it's probably going to the next inflection point. History tells us that it normally does. Stella's Belgian, okay. Is a chain fork that stayed... No, dude, we're talking about beer. Goose Island's the worst IPA that exists, man. Okay, I'm an avid IPA drinker, and drinking Goose Island is like drinking stupid apple juice or off. It's terrible. Okay, Goose Island's awful. I'm sorry. Not good. How can I drink IPA? Acquiring a taste for it in my 20s. Yeah, it's terrible. So is Heineken. Heineken's awful too. Bud is the owner of Stella. See? Let's look at the Bud chart while we're in this little intermission waiting for Moon. Anheuser-Busch Connect. So it's lost $6 billion in market cap in 6 days. Pretty good. That's like $1 billion a day. So here it is. I mean, it had an M shape of sorts, right? Cipher. Looks like a cipher, doesn't it? It was close to a cipher, but, you know, above $59. Ooh, okay. So it's at these two peaks. It was like breaking out before the weird thing they did. Hiring like a... I mean, what are you doing? Like, I hired somebody from Harvard that has no real world experience on anything in my life. I'm just going to hire her out of school. And she destroyed your brand virtually. I guess they don't care. Like, that's how this world works now. Like, it's not even about making money anymore. It's about the message. I don't know how. I think they've made so much money now that they're okay destroying themselves. They don't even care. So being below 64.75, that means you are not broken out. December 2018, a valley, and then a peak from 2010 and 11. You're below that now. So that was the breakout. Let's see. Price action correlated to it. No back test even either. So you are below a key inflection point where you could go to $59. History tells you up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So $59 is a target below 64.75. That's it. Demoralization, yeah. Complete demoralization. Yep. I mean, it's complete. Like 5-10 generations over now at BG. Yeah. Ideological subversion from the Soviets, and then the communist Chinese took the torch. And now look at them. My God, they've consolidated so much. They've compromised our entire government. It's crazy. Might crash. Yeah, stream might crash. Yeah, dude, at this point. Don't get me started. Get rid of the charts. Seawood said no one ever that was a male. Bad news, still good publicity. Not when it creates an absolute boycott. Not really. I don't think that was actually good publicity. No, Dave, I have not. I've not done a beer journey down here at all, man. Let's see here. Okay. Hey Pat, you okay? Someone said something about Hey Pat earlier on the last stream today. Now you hear red pill based. Something else is now a terroristic word for words. It's crazy, man. We'll see this. Oops. That's nice, man. That short today got me 14 subs on YouTube. Let's go, dude. The age of the shorts is upon us, I guess. Again, topics on the shorts. Always appreciated. Live action role playing. Fireball. Lightning bolt. Lightning bolt. Lightning bolt. Rally Gains is wifey material by far, right? We all know that. Is that her name? Kentucky swimmer? Holy crap. Alright, let's check on some stuff, man. Okay. Matic right now looking really strong at its highs of the day, $1, 18.5 cents, up almost 5%, and nearing the breakout watch upon us on this one. Maker up almost 4%, near it is pretty much at its highs of the day and near breakout. I mean, 788 equals wow. Maker's at 940 real fast. So with Bitcoin pulling back some, there are some altcoins behind the scenes that are doing things. Litecoin's pulled back, Unis pulled back. That's about it. Everything's kind of pulled back some. YFI though. YFI. Oh man. Remember that time it got hacked and then is now higher than the price it was when it got hacked? Get wrecked. Completely active trade setup too. You had your chance, a re-entry even. Wow. I don't know, I haven't looked at near in a minute. Near breaking above the 200-day moving average. Oh, near was real nice in that 188 level spring back test. It's incredible, isn't it? That is wonderful price at. Yeah, dude, 270 target on near. Yep. And it's a dragon too. Sure, if you want to make it a dragon, you can. All right, the dragon. One low, the second low. Look at this 188 level being defended by buyers. Just happens to be that high from October 2020. Yeah, man. 270 target. Oh my god, Baby Dogecoin tweeted they have their biggest announcement coming up. Whoa! Well, guess I'm gonna buy Baby Dogecoin, Launch coins, man. Yeah, super excited about that. God. Get it out of here. Dude, I'm so excited about the Baby Dogecoin. Oh. Yeah, the godfather of announcements is always Justin Sun. And then there was the fake news of him getting arrested. It's like, really, dude? Seriously? This is not the Doge. This is not the time to be talking about Doge. This is the time to be talking about Ethereum Classic that is attempting a supply line breach. Okay, and then you run out 2458 and it's like you break that, it's gone, it's over. It's over, dude. In a positive way, it's extremely over. Follow the arrow, just like KSM. All right. Yeah, man, this is at the highs of the day. Actually, Ethereum Classic is at its highest price since February 21st. Well, thanks, Eric, man. Yeah, dude, we're just kind of hanging out. It's like it's 10:14 Eastern, right? Yep. And I don't know, man. Just taking it all in. Where this is the real one. The real breakout of breakouts happening is Ethereum. Undeniable, and there's no resistance here. I mean, I did just go look left and make up something, but like 2400's the big one. That's the 38% retrace, and it could get as high as 3341. 3343 was actually the bottom, the Garley pattern completion zone in March, April of 2019. Bitcoin 3343. That's where it went to 14K. And here we are in the same month, years later, and the 618 is 3343. Wow, dude, that's target, I guess. That's the matrix. I just pulled a Independence Day Jesus Aliens thing or something, right? I just blacked out. Sorry. Inflation and viewers versus likes. What does that mean? I only have like 50 people watching, like 50 people watching me, right? Yeah, dude, 567 people watching. Like, oh, I'm a dead streamer, dude. It's okay. Dead streamer walking. It's okay. Cardano's broken out. Cardano's at its highest price since October 29th, and it's about to be since September. Remember what happened to Cardano, chat? A breakout has occurred. It's done. This could go to dumb levels, like really, really high levels. There's no resistance here, man. You have to understand when Cardano market participants break 41 cents, there's almost unlimited ups. It could be stupid, 52 cents, 58 cents, or it could end up to 80 cents. You got to know straight up and down here. Okay, I would say there's one peak back there in 2018, maybe 2017, 64.8 cents. Okay, so 30+% upside here. This could be insane. I tried to make it clear on the last stream, and I'm trying to make it clear now. This is big time. Wow, man. I don't know, dude. I'm drinking this beer, and we're lulling around with Ethereum near its highs. And ETC is literally pretty much doing it. This is going to turn into $35, $40 eventually. I just can't stop looking at it because it keeps going higher. Yep. And the star of the show. Right here. Here we are again. Crew to business, drove home fast from the office to drink with us. All right, man. Cardano boys gonna be. There's Cardano boys. Really? I can't even remember. It's been so long. Just like Link, like the Link Marines and the XRP Moon boys. There were Cardano boys. What? Okay. All right, we're just hanging out, man. I'm drinking this beer. I'm gonna finish it. I'm starting to get hungry because I broke my fast with beer. Hey, Derek, man. Derek, thanks so much for the 3 months in the Citadel Patreon. Thank you so much, dude. Really appreciate that. Hi in the chat for Derek, man. Thank you, dude. Kangs. Real Kang hours. Loving him. Am I hyped? My hype is driven by other people's hype. Because, like, hey, man, I can make money, you know? But it's more about, like, the social aspect of this. I was like the point, man. Trading's a lonely game. A lonely man's game if you're doing it, you know? And so, when there's hype in the chat, when chat's lit, good viewership, all that stuff, it gets me hypest. So I'm moderately hype. I'm okay-ish hype. I'm a little, I don't know what to make of it, man. I think it's like I'm in a steady decline of the viewership and all that. So I'm trying to change it up with the short. Said posted my first YouTube short today that was official, like with TA and all that. So check it out if you haven't. Post a comment, like it, whatever. Hey, Zazen, thanks for the 20 super chat. You had nothing to say, just wanted to be nice, man. Thank you, dude. I really appreciate that. I think Ethereum appreciates it too. Just being a few dollars off from the highs of 11 months or whatever. So yeah, I drink coffee, Robert D. That kind of like coffee, potassium pills, magnesium pills, and a handful of salt. I never pinned the Discord. I'm crazy. I thought I did that at the beginning. Whoops, I'll do that. Hey, Crypto Order said something. What did he say? He said tendies. I didn't see you said tendies. Alright, tendies returned. Short clips work. Alright, Brad, now it is your turn to, let's see what you can do. What you say, what you think's worthy and memorable of a clip, you then say to me, then you send it to Chaylin and see what Chaylin does with it, and let's see what we can do. Let's see. SGML,
Can you look at
Sigma
SGML
Lithium.
blow off top, or would you go puts?
Remember Sigma Lithium? Why would they not just name their lithium company Ligma? Take the S out and make it Ligma Lithium Corporation, or the Ligma Corporation. So much better than the Sigma Lithium Corporation. Well, it's just, dude, I mean, what's the question here about, I mean, Ligma something? It was a potential blow off top. I mean, blow off top's like the top of a bubble and it's non-stop. This is just on Breakout Watch. You're in the inflection zone. You're between the highest candle close ever and the highest wick ever. And it's obviously like higher risk for a fresh long because, I mean, you're at the top. You're not at the bottom. But it was interesting, this inverted hammer on February 10th at a level, the rally up. So I guess you're kind of getting close to Breakout Watch. In fact, wow. You know what happened today on Ligma Corporation? You wouldn't believe me if I told you, but I'm telling you. This was the highest daily candle close in Ligma Corporation ever. Ligma. Never in human history have the Ligma Army, the Ligma Marines ever set it up this high. So make of that what you will. I don't know, dude. Why would somebody flip me in viewership? Because I'm not good at what I do. Like, if I was good or something, I'd get more viewers, but I only lose viewers. And I don't know what I did to deserve the loss in viewership. I really don't know, man. Like, I'm just doing the exact same thing I've been doing for over 5 years. It's been very, very successful. I don't know what to tell you, man. Trying something new now. But, whatever. Uranus doesn't exist. Uranus doesn't exist. Yeah, I don't know, man. Of course I don't get recognized in public. Are you kidding? I'm virtually a nobody. Like, you know, on YouTube even, but in real life, definitely nothing. But it's cool, dude. I don't really, you know, it'd be nice to, hey, man, I don't know. Like, I know I'm helping people, the people that do watch and pay attention and care about traditional technical analysis. That matters a lot, okay? So I don't think I don't care about that. I do. And it'd be nice to extend the reach of what I'm teaching, man. It's not, none of this stuff's like me. I made it up. Like, I didn't research. These are genius people that I respect and honor here. That's what it's about. Dang, man, deflate the stream. Thanks for the comments. Yikes. Well, I mean, you know, whatever. I guess you can go watch those people that are far more successful than me at this. So I just finished my beer. I'm gonna leave. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the contributions to the stream. And I'll just be back. So until next time, respect the TA.